Hello everyone, my name is Feliza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm super excited for today's video because it is going to be all about Selena Gomez's new makeup line, Rare Beauty. So the collection came out about like a week ago and I just went to Sephora today to check it out, and everything is super nice and I just love everything that this brand stands for. I love how one of the big aspects of Selena's brand is that it all has to do with like mental health and inner beauty, which is super important to me. So when I heard that this collection had to do with makeup and mental health, I was super excited because those are my two favorite things. I was looking at one of Selena's videos and she was talking about how each of the shade names like all have to do with like positivity and mental health. So all of the shade names are like love, bliss, like super just like positive things. So I'm all for that. So I went to see the collection today and I picked up the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush and I got it in the shade Grateful. They have 8 different shades. They have 4 matte ones and 4 dewy ones, and the one that I got was one of the dewy ones, and as you can see it is a very bright red and it is 0.25 fluid ounces. People say that this stuff is really pigmented and that it could last you a super long time. So the packaging is really cute, looks really slick and clean looking, so I really love that. I actually wanted to try out the shade Joy. It's also one of the dewy blushes, but when I went to the store, like so many of the shades were already sold out. So this one was one of the few shades that were still available. The blush that was in the shade Joy was actually the one that Selena wore in the campaign photos, and so I think that's why it's super popular. But I've also been hearing a lot of hype about this shade, so I'm going to be trying this out. I normally don't go for super intense red blushes like this, but I think when it blends out it's gonna look really nice, so I'm excited to try this out. So I'm just gonna open this. It's a little bit hard to take out. Whoa, so already a lot comes out. I feel like such a beauty guru now. It's just like a doe foot applicator like this. So I've already done my makeup except for the blush. So I'm just gonna do like 1 dot because people say that this is like really pigmented. I'm gonna put it like here. Okay. I think that should be good for now. And I'm gonna blend it in with my fingers, and then I'm gonna blend it in with the sponge. Whoa, okay, that's really pigmented. Even if you just do 1 heavy dot, it's already too much. So yeah, people were not lying when they said that this is really pigmented. Okay, I'm going in with the sponge. They are really blendable though, and it gives you like a really healthy dewy glow. Oh, that's so pretty. But I think it's best to blend it in with a sponge or a beauty blender like this because it almost takes a little bit off, so it makes it a little more natural looking and less like you're wearing too much blush and you look like a clown. And the thing that I like about it too is that even though the bottle is like super red, like I was a little bit intimidated when I saw this because I thought this was going to be like a bright like cherry red, but once you blend it in, it just like sinks into the skin and it looks super natural looking, so I really like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side, and I'm gonna take some of this off. Okay, so that will do. So I'm gonna blend a little bit with my fingers and then I'll use the sponge after. So when I put blush, I like to put it like here and then I blend it upwards, as opposed to like here where like the apples of your cheeks are. I feel like it just makes me look younger. So I like to place it a little bit higher so that it blends nicely with my bronzer. That's so pretty. And as for the scent, it's definitely nothing intense. Like, to me kind of smells like candy actually. Yeah, so for the scent it's nothing intense, but if you smell really closely it does kind of smell like candy and sweetness. So before trying this on, I was going to put highlight on top, but I don't think I am anymore because this looks already really pretty without it. And for the thumbnail, I wanted to recreate one of Selena's pictures of her wearing the Rare Beauty products, and so I tried doing my makeup like her today. So I did the winged liner and I wore her blush. So I kind of took a little bit of inspiration from Selena's look so that I could recreate it for this video. So final thoughts, the blush is a 10 out of 10. The formula is amazing. Just keep in mind, only use like the smallest dot when you're putting it on, because once you blend it, it spreads out a lot and it's super pigmented, so you definitely don't need a lot. And when it comes to blending, I would definitely use a damp sponge or a damp beauty blender just to take a little bit of the product off, just because it is so pigmented and saturated. So if you guys have any questions about this product or just your thoughts on it, then definitely leave a comment down below. So those are my first impressions and thoughts on Selena Gomez's new Rare Beauty line and the new Soft Pinch liquid blush in her collection. So I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and follow me on Instagram. My username is Feliza. I will have it linked down below. So I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next one. Bye!